Hi and welcome to the BW Finance Leadership and Strategy Summit 2025. Today we're here with Anurag Mantri from Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. It's so amazing to meet you. Thank you so much for joining us today. So the first question I'd like to ask you, how do you think the CFO's role is transforming in an age driven by AI and data-driven information?
See, CFO, if you see, all road leads to CFO, and actually, the every decision making, it's a co-pilot with the CEO or MD. So, I think it's very critical. Even now, even all the technological or AI and the digital projects are actually jointly run by CTO, CDIO, and CFOs. And in lot of organization, the IT is now part of the CFO profile because of this reason. So, and most of the things in like any organization leads to the data analytics and all the, how you do the predictions in terms of the your business forecasting and everything, which has AI as a big role play, because one is that your internal data hygiene as well as from the external that affecting the external data. So therefore, CFO role is very critical to bridge between the external business sources and the internal data. I think so. From that perspective, CEO, I don't think anybody else can run the project in a center space than the
Right.
CFO.
Incredible. So now speaking more on this subject, what skills do you think is essential for new generation leaders in order to stay relevant and adapt to this new technology-driven environment?
See, technology is changing every day. It's even sometime you have to what you are doing today may not be relevant tomorrow. So you really have to have a mindset, and you have to have an eye that and what works best for you, and keep looking for the newer and newer tools with that. And the implementation of the tool is also very critical in terms of how fast you do the implementation. So from the technology perspective, one has to be all the new leaders. I would like to say that they have to be really ahead in terms of their mindset to look openly the new technologies and to adopt that, and also having the within their teams to have a spread the words across that. So how you use collaboratively that new technologies.
Incredible. Okay. Thank you so much for
Thank you so much.
joining us today. It was really incredible speaking with you.